test number 2. I'm just gonna roll straight with the external mic from now on because I know how much better it is. Luckily, it's a little bit windy out again, so I can see if the stuff that I did with my external mic inside of my helmet is helping. I basically put foam inside of the mouthpiece. Wow, yeah, it's really windy right now, actually. I put a bunch of foam inside of the mouthpiece on the side where the external mic is inside my helmet to see if maybe it'll help block the wind noise that I was hearing yesterday, because it was pretty bad. I also still need to try this with my goggles, because I've heard that it really helps block wind noise if you have goggles on, so I'll have to try that next. Because normally I will have goggles on, so I'll have to do that next. Yep, there's that backfire again. Same exact spot as yesterday. That's kind of funny. I'm just waiting for someone to freak out on me for going through there, by the way. I'm also filming this one in 2.7K on just like the normal ratio or whatever, because yesterday I noticed I was doing it in 4:3 and it looked kind of weird. So this is another wind noise test, as well as shooting the footage in like just normal 2.7, which I think is 16:9, but I'm not 100% sure. Oh, and then the other thing that I did was I changed the I changed it to use horizon lock, so I want to see if that helps at all with the leveling. I gotta tell you, man, riding around on this scooter really makes me want to get one for myself. I'm kind of jealous of Adrienne that she has this thing to play with. This guy's kind of annoying. I'm sure I'm probably kind of annoying him too, but whatever. Come on, dude. There we go. There's a lot of wind. Oh, yesterday the film cut out too. I don't know why. I don't know if it just got to a certain like duration and then it quit, but it started up a whole nother video. I don't know what that was about. Let's see if it did that today as well. Lots of wind. see how much it's supposed to be the max stabilization that you can get, so I'm gonna have to see. I wish I could go down that damn pathway. People would lose their mind. Pretty easy now. I think it's up there. I'd say that's probably its max, 35 to... I don't know if it would hit 40 on flatland. I'm sure it'd get there after a while, but... So funny, the guy said no wide open throttle. I'm wide open. I don't care. I put this freaking big bore kit on this thing so that we could use it, not look at it. I get it, you gotta break stuff in properly, but come on, man. Let's pop some wheelies here, bro.
Hi! Hi, Tippy! I don't know why she does that. She has like the funniest little smiles. Dude, this thing freaking runs so... good. I don't know why it's doing that. That's... oh my gosh, dude. It, like, out on the road... it just... what's that? Bean did. She didn't. She probably has to poop. Do you want me... I'm gonna leave it out. Uh-oh. Just kidding. Get on my big bad steed.